Appreciate it.
I noticed the mic and the...
Yeah, it's entrepreneur. The less you trade, all you're doing is saving more money. $2,500 for the month, and that is not bad at all. From April 1st all the way to May 30th, which is today, we made a grand whopping of $4,900. So if I just continue to do what I did the last 2 months, what I did this month, I can easily make $10,000 in a month trading, just from trading. Also, look at that. $300 for the day with VIP sales. Bro, 7.6 thousand? That's just crazy, bro. Your life can change, I promise you that. I'm living proof, I'm documenting my whole life. All right, good morning, good morning. Right now, we're not at the crib. I'm trying to find parking. We're at a spot right now near the beach. Right now, it's already 9:30, but it's a little bit late. But you guys know I took L's the last 2 days, so I'm not really stressing about the trading today. Today's more of a slow day, but I do got my laptop and everything. Matter of fact, this is right where we got the car towed.
Yo, this is where we got the car towed.
I knew it looked familiar.
Right.
Yeah. So, is this parking? New beach parking. Like, I'm way less worried about getting it towed like this time around, but like it's just more of the annoying part. Bar and retail parking only. Yo, I just want to find parking. How you doing?
Good.
How much is the valet?
Well, it depends on what you're coming in for.
Oh, we're here at the hotel.
Staying at the hotel?
Yeah.
Just for the day?
Yeah.
You got the day pass?
Here, I don't have the physical one. I have the on my app. Yeah.
Oh, okay. If you got the day pass, it's included in it.
It's included? Okay, that's fine though. That works. Diaz, D-I-A-Z. Got it all. Appreciate it.
Creators? I noticed the mic and the...
Yeah, and it's, I try to just entrepreneur. I feel like anybody does the concept, but yeah, just to keep it simple.
Nice, bro. Hey, well, keep
Nah,
it up, man.
I appreciate it. You have a good one. All right, right now we about to get everything active. We're inside the spot. I ain't really gonna show you the view just yet. I'll just show you the view after we get this work in. I ain't gonna lie, but it's good here. It's good here. We about to get all active. I'm active with them on the phone and all, but we about to hop in on the actual computer. I want to see price at least come up to like 18,800. If we can get 18,800, I can see the drop. I want to see short-term longs. Nah, yeah, I ain't going crazy today. As you guys know, if you take too many L's, take too many W's, just give yourself a little break, regardless if you're on a winning or losing streak. It just helps. Most of the time, you're gonna have another day to trade that week anyway. I still got tomorrow, so I ain't really worried about shit. That's why you gotta go places. Like, there's a reason I be going here. Like, I can get a view, it'll make me more or less likely to do some dumb shit. The less you trade, all you're doing is saving more money. I'm trying to see these longs. Should be in slow. I just want to see this. What is this? 8 a.m. high ran. That's what I'm just trying to see. Once it does that, my little move I was looking to see happen. All right, right now, we just got done the trading session. I didn't take no trades. As you guys know, the last 2 days I did take L's, so I didn't trade today. It's all good. That's why we came here. I'm gonna enjoy the day. We're probably gonna end up going to the beach in about an hour or two, but I chill in the hot tub. There's no gym here that I could use, so I'm gonna end up just working out back at the crib later on, but that's all good. My girl's off of work. Today's gonna be a day where I'm just enjoying the fruits of my labor while continuing to give value and create content. Because at the end of the day, I may not trade today, but my 2 other jobs is be inside the VIP, give them what they need, give value, and record content and post it for YouTube. That's why you have to have multiple incomes. That's why you have to have multiple skill sets, because not every day is a trading day, and you shouldn't be trading every single day, because all you're doing is risking money that you may not necessarily want to risk. And at the end of the day, time is money, and we need all of it. So I'm about to enjoy all of mine. Makes sense, but right now we just got some fruit drinks. I got strawberry banana. She got something.
Orange ginger juice.
Orange ginger juice, and then we got a ginger shot right here that I'm about to take some of. You want me to take all of it or just some?
Take all of it.
All of it is crazy.
That's my drink, Andre.
Huh?
That's what my drink is.
The drink definitely helps.
What, me being sick? Oh, no. Drink it.
Nah, it helps, yeah. With you being sick, but also helps with the taste. That was good. That was good. But right now, we're about to just head to the beach. Right now, we're about to head to the beach since we are near the beach. Ooh, look at that sun. I wish I could work out over here. I really do. The gym's the only thing over here that I'm missing out on right now. I could be working out right now, but they don't give me access to the gym. Yeah, we're about to head to the beach, chill over there. We're going to head back to the hotel, kind of wash off and everything. I don't like being in the car for an hour, driving home with salt on me. So I'm going to go there, probably just wash off and everything in the pool, chill in the hot tub, relax for a little bit because today's just a calm day. We didn't take no trades. It was just one of those days where I came to the charts, I came to show up, and that's it. Now go on with the rest of my life. We're going to continue to give value. One of the things that I'm doing right now, I just have one thing that I always tell everybody inside VIP. If you have any questions, comments, concerns about anything, money, mindset, trading, let me know. Let me know. DM me. I don't care if it's a whole paragraph. I want to show everything. But ask for help. I'm here to help you. I promise you guys, that $50 a month that you're investing in you get way more for your value as long as you ask questions. You get access to me, and anything you want to know, I will answer. All right, we made it to the beach. Yeah, having glasses at the beach makes everything so much better. Oh my God. But yeah, we're probably not gonna get in the water because we don't got nothing to clean us off, but need to get a house out here. House right on Golfway. Gonna have a nice little jacuzzi in there. Feel like I'm on an adventure. Like, what are they doing over there? They got them pipes in the water. Maybe it's something real simple. I'm just stupid, but I don't know. Even got a cop out there. Yeah, this reminds me like Miami on the walk on the bay. Where we'll be living soon. Alright, after all the walking, let's go back to the hotel. Let's go back to that pool, that hot tub. And I gotta go get my laptop that I forgot over there. Alright, we're back at the crib. I gotta get under there. You can see them a little bit. Not bad for like a week and a half of waves. We getting there. Y'all gonna see the spins. Y'all gonna see how my hair really get. Cause y'all may have seen the curly hair, but I had waves first. The waves were the original. They're gonna come back, and they're gonna come back better than ever. But right now, I'm about to take a shower and everything. We're going out to eat tonight. But before that, I do have a VIP session at 7 o'clock. I didn't take no trades today, as you guys know. So I kind of felt as, even though I did show up for the call and I was giving value, I was like kind of walking them through my thought processes and everything while we were trading. I didn't give them no trades today. And I still think that there's value to be given, and I have the time. So at 7 o'clock, we're going to be doing a call. We're going to be talking about mindset and money. The two main things that you need to have a great understanding of to be a successful trader and be a successful person in general. You got to understand what is required to have a positive mindset, a winning mindset. And why is the mindset important? Because that's what's going to allow you to actually do the things that you need to do. Believe in yourself. And once you have the mindset, that allows you to stay focused and keep your eyes on a prize and work every single day on the daily non-negotiables and do your daily routines and go through your daily processes that are going to directly make you a better person and build the traits that are going to make you a better trader. Then you're gonna see how your life can change. But that's what we're gonna be talking about. I'll probably show little clips and everything later on, but that's what we got planned. And then, like I said, we're going out to eat. So that's what my day is looking like. But first, we gotta take the shower. I'm gonna brush this hair, probably put a do-rag on, go crazy. Then I don't know. Matter of fact, and then I'm gonna talk to you guys about the business that I've been able to grow from $0 a month to $1,000. This is the first month that it hit $1,000, and it's only May 30th. So it might be like, I think today's or tomorrow's the last day of the month. So, but yeah, it hit $1,000 in a month, and this is my third business. Just one of my businesses did 1,000 in a month, and I'm gonna tell you everything how, and I'm gonna break it down to you. You got some water? I'll leave you some water. Gotta leave her some water so she won't. Look at her over there staring at me. She's like, yeah, you better leave me some water. Better leave me some bull. Better. I got you. I'm sorry. Here you go, boss. Okay, there you go. All right, right now, bright as shit. Oh my God. Hopefully I didn't blind y'all. Hopefully I don't blind y'all again when we come in here. But right now, we're about to start this VIP Trader Network call. We're gonna be going over money, mindset, all of that good stuff. It's not gonna be necessarily trading related. It's going to be a money mindset call. And nonetheless, that's the same importance when it comes to trying to be a successful trader. So let me get all this set up, and I'm gonna see you guys in the actual call with the team. I may be able to give you what I think you may need help with. but you know what you need help with. And just like that, we ended up getting it finished. Cool little session. I didn't want to go too crazy. Like I said, I was only doing it because I missed doing the session. I didn't miss the session, but I didn't take no trades. And they're not supposed to get trades every day. But I kind of felt like they missed a little bit because I know a lot of them come like looking for trades, looking for signals, looking to win, looking to catch something to build their confidence. And I wasn't able to do that. So it is what it is. But I gave them this session that's going to be able to prepare them for tomorrow so that we actually can continue to make some money. I also went over like my metrics and everything with my funded account. I'll show you guys them too. It's some crazy numbers. But yeah, if we come into my trade event and everything, you can see this is what my account is. You can see the Express funded account. And we're going to go to how much money I made this month. And I think it's about 2,500 for the month. And that is not bad at all. Not bad with the average trade being 52 minutes. And the main thing you gotta understand is that's 2,500 in the month, but that's only risking about $100 to $200 per trade. This was all low risk. And look, this is all the profit. So we really made 11,300 in total, but then we lost about 8,700, which meant we made overall 2,500. And that was for the month. But if we go to last month was the same thing, 2414. So we averaged about 24 and 2,400 both months. This month we made a lot more money though. We took a lot, like less trades, so we only made 43 and we only lost 18. It was a lot less trades. As you can see, it was about 3 times less trades, but we made about the same money. And then if we go to the quarter, so far, so from April 1st all the way to May 30th, which is today, we made a grand whopping of $4,941. And then we made a total of 15,000 and lost 10,000, which means we were left with 49.40. So you know what that means? That tomorrow, to make this end off for 5,000 for the last 2 months, we gotta make $60. So that's my goal for tomorrow. I just gotta make $60. Very possible. All I'm gonna do is essentially risk what I normally risk, but instead of breaking even, I'm gonna move my stop loss and profit $60. So regardless, if I hit a break-even trade, if I hit TP1, it's gonna be a winning day, and I'm gonna hit the goal that I had for 5,000 in 2 months. And I was risking that's only risking $100 a trade essentially. That's amazing. If I double the trade to risking 200 to 300, that 5,000 turns to 10,000, 15,000. That 2,500 in a month turns to 5,000, turns to 7,500. It's gonna double fast. And I want you to stay tuned because you guys saw me document the whole journey, everything. You see me document all of it. And it's only gonna be up from here. It's only up. So if I just continue to do what I did the last 2 months, what I did this month, I can easily make $10,000 in a month trading, just from trading. I've made $7,000 to $8,000 in all my business the last month. If I make $10,000 next month just from trading, my life is gonna change. And I'm gonna continue to document it. I just want y'all to know that. Everything that I do, everything that I'm going to do, I'm telling you before I do it. I just want you guys to be able to witness this. But I'm about to head to the gym because I do gotta get my workout. Then we're gonna end this vlog off. But the job's not finished. We still gotta get this work in. But I'm also gonna upload the session we just did to Whoop. And also, look at that. 300 for the day with VIP sales. 900. That's why I don't gotta trade every day, man. If you have money coming in from multiple incomes, content, teaching, services, products, you can make money in multiple different ways. And also, make sure you check out the free trading webinar. You guys know the free course, and if you know the free course, look at all these people that have the free course. 3,700 people have the free course. 26 people have the free trading webinar. There's no reason, I know this video is gonna easily get 1,000 or 2,000 views. There's no reason we can't get 500 people to 1,000 people to check out this trading webinar. It's completely free. I'm teaching you exactly what I do. Everybody asks, can you do a one-on-one? Can you teach me how to trade? The information that I'm literally giving it to you for free. If you really wanna learn to trade, if you really wanna learn what I do, check it out. It's free. I have it there. Click the link in the description. Go to it and watch it. It's over 2 hours of trading content just by itself. Nothing but charts. Nothing but charts. But back to the main point, I was going to upload the session we just did inside of the VIP sessions. This is where I add all the calls. And I'm going to add the one that we just did. So we're gonna do that, then we're heading to the gym. All right, and we just left the gym. I'm about to come up to the top of this roof real quick so y'all can see me with better lighting. It was a great day. Nonetheless, I had a great workout. I didn't record much audio in there because there was other people working out, and I ain't that guy yet, not yet. But bro, 7.6 thousand. It was technically not a month. It was half was from April, but also half of it was only within the last 2 weeks. So it kind of averages out. But at the end of the day, bro, that's just crazy, bro. Your life can change, I promise you that. I'm living proof, I'm documenting my whole life. Everything's only gonna go up. Apartments, cars, content, quality, value, information. I'm gonna be healthier and I'm gonna be in better shape. It's only up, man. It's only up. I make these videos every single day to show you guys that it's possible. I'm at the gym right now at 9:30 at night and I still gotta go home, edit this video, post it, create some shorts, create some reels, post all of them before I go to bed, to wake up, to have to do the same exact thing over and over again. And I did that same exact thing for years with no results. And I'm just finally seeing just a little bit. $7,000 a month is only about $80,000 a year. I want you guys to put that in perspective. $10,000 a month is only $120,000 a year. Just people making that money every day and every month. And we're settling for that every year. Not me. I'm gonna make sure I fear being average. But that being said, if you guys wanna learn how to trade, all the above, you guys know. Check out the free trading webinar and the free trading course. It has everything you need from 0 to 100. It'll teach you. You wanna learn how to trade? You wanna learn how I make money? Check the free course, check the trading webinar. Links are in the description. And once you're ready to join the community of like-minded winning traders like me, myself, and other traders in the community that I show you guys every single day while live trading, make sure you join the VIP Trading Network. We're active every single day. And I just did the sessions. And it was also recorded some, but I have to upload that when I get back also. Once you're ready to actually start implementing all the concepts that I teach you in the webinar and in the free course, make sure you get Hanko Trade, get the demo account, start experience using the process, the system, so you can actually start making money like I am and change your life. But with that being said, stay safe, stay productive, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.